Hello everybody, I'm videoing a server called Deathcraft. Now, this server is only for players who have Hamachi. If you don't know Hamachi, well, I don't even know what it means. I'm just joking. Anyway, if you have Hamachi, please join Deathcraft. Because, it's only me and my friend Monster out. It's been very lonely for us. Anyway, please join. If you wanted the server IP is down in the descriptions below. Please join. We need players to join our server because the server is not ready, but we really want some players to join. So please download Hamachi and play the server. And one more thing. If someone first joins this server, you will be admin, head staff, moderator of the server because the server is still new. We need some staffs, moderators, and stuff like that, head admins. Please join the server. The server in Hamachi, it is called Deathcraft, then a minus sign, room, a minus sign 1. Please join the server. We really want more people in it. I know this server won't change a little bit, like it won't change to be a premium server like that. This server will stay like this, a Hamachi server. Please join this server. We need more players to join this server, please. First one to go will be the head admin. To join head admin, and next the moderator, and next it's the builders and stuff. Thank you and goodbye. Please join the server. We really need players. Download Hamachi right now.